everyone and welcome to Scale Up with Shital. So today we are going to see the biggest job opportunity, which is the for EY company. Okay, so the EY company is going to hire the associate analyst job role. So here you need to check all the job description regarding this. Okay, so this is related to the tax TMT, tax GCR, global compliance and reporting, and the job location will be of Bangalore. Okay, so location will be Bengaluru and the other location is the primary location they have mentioned. So this hiring is for basically Bengaluru location. Okay, so in the job description they have given the requisition ID. What is the and requisition ID? So if there is any one connection on LinkedIn, who works in the EY company, you can ask them for a referral by providing this requisition ID. Otherwise, you can manually apply this uh, job so that you can get the reverse back from the recruiters. Okay, so the opportunity is for the associate analyst role, and the first of all we will see what is the eligibility criteria. So you can see here the key responsibilities are the technical excellence. Okay, the fresh graduate are eligible to apply, so that here we can see 2023, 2024, and 2025 pass out batch is eligible for this job opportunity. So the skills and attributes we can see that to qualify for the role you must have qualification should be BCom graduate, like the candidate should be BCom graduate, so that that candidate can apply and get reverse back. The experience should be 0 to 2 years. Okay, after that what we look for, so they said people with the ability to work in a collaborative manner to provide services across multiple client departments while following the commercial and legal requirements. Okay, so they are looking for the candidate who will work collaboratively, okay, with the team. And here they have mentioned the information about the company's website, like what is EY, which, like how it is committed to the being inclusive. Okay, so you can see it, and now we will click on apply now to apply for this job opportunity. So once you will click on apply, you will go to the one page where you need to create an account if you are a new user. Okay, so create an account. After that you will see on a page where you need to fill all the details like email address, your password, like you need to set a password, strong password, and the minimum requirements of that password they have provided. So according to that only you need to provide that password. After that you need to provide the first name, last name. Okay, after that there is another information like country, region code, and after that you need to click on the checkbox of notification, receive new job posting notification, that will receive you on the email. After that, terms of use, you need to click on the terms of use to agree that terms of privacy setting. Okay, so whenever you are going to create an account, you need to select all the details that are mandatory, otherwise you will not go to the next page. So these all the things are mandatory which you need to fill, and you need to agree that things. Okay, so here you can see that I have filled the details like email address, in I have set the password. Now you need to click on the terms and you need to acknowledge that terms. After that click on create account. Now you'll go to the next page of the application. Okay, so here there are many sections. So here first of all upload a resume. So let me upload my resume here. Okay, so the resume is uploaded successfully. After that click on each section like profile information. So some of the information will automatically come here from the resume, because it automatically like filters the resume and takes the key points from that resume. Okay, so I have select I can see that legal first name is there, email and the phone number is already came. After that, the other information you need to fill which is necessary. If there is anything information that is not necessary or mandatory, you can keep it as it is, so that you can go to the next information. If you have any work experience, you can mention here by clicking on add. After that, you can put all the information like company name, title, present employer and all. So if you are a working experienced, so you can add here, otherwise you can like skip this. Okay, so this all information you need to fill. After that only you can go to the next section. So here I'm removing this experience as I'm a fresher. After that, the language skills you need to add, like if you know the English language, Hindi language, Marathi language, Telugu, Malayalam, whatever languages you know, you can add it there. So I will add the three languages, or I will add one language like English. I'm selecting speaking proficiency, reading proficiency and writing proficiency. After that, going to the next section, application information. Should you need a accommodation in your recruiting process, please indicate. So here, no. Is the last organization before? No. Notice period in number 0 as I'm a fresher. Serving notice period, no. Fixed compensation and variable compensation. So here 0. Do you have a disability? No. Health and legal concerns, self-declaration. So here, okay. Have you suffered from any major illness? No. And after this, we can click on apply. So after clicking on apply, we can see a loader here, and after that, here we have successfully submitted our profile for the data analyst for the EY role. So here we can see the alert like you have successfully submitted your application to this role, and the exceptional EY experience, it's your build, it's your to build. Okay, so here we can go to the job listings of this company, and we can also see the our profile that we have submitted. If we want to change anything in that, we can change it, otherwise we can keep it as it is. Okay, so in this way, if you want to receive the more job updates like this, you can subscribe this channel, like and comment below if